Hey guys, good to see you. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, good to see you. Didn't expect to see you today, but I wanted to pop in. I'm out of the office today, but I wanted to give you a real-time update in regards to Corvette production and a quick statement about people that are at 3,000 status or higher. Real quickly, today, on Wednesday, November 1st, as I read through my notes here, second shift will be shut down at Bowling Green Assembly, and first shift will be shut down tomorrow on November 2nd. And it looks like they're scheduled to go back to work second shift on Thursday. This is due to a part shortage, and it appears to be cradles is what they're short right now. So it's always something. That leads me to those of you that are at 3,000 status and higher. We ask for your patience to get you to accepted status, and once you are accepted, we still need your patience. Allow the process to progress, and for us and the folks in Bowling Green Assembly to do their job. I know you're excited and over anxious, and I get that part, but you need to let things happen in the order in which they need to happen to get the car built. Just because you're excited and because you're anxious and you want an update, we don't have an update for you. When you're at 3,000 status, congratulations, you have an accepted order. That means at some point it will get built. And as you can tell from these updates, things are not flowing as they normally should. But seriously, 3,000 status, accepted order, that is great news. We continually hear from our customers, hey, it's been 3 weeks and I haven't heard anything on my order. What's the status? Remember, you're gonna hear from us when it's accepted status, when the build week is assigned, when the car is built, when it's shipped, when it's here. That's when you hear it. Up until that point, if there's nothing to tell, there's no reason to contact you. Congratulations. If you're at accepted status, please be patient. We will have, at some point, good news for you guys. The strike is over. That's good news. A little bit of part shortage, as we just talked about, for the delay right now in current production, but it's going to get better. I really do appreciate your understanding and the business opportunities. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.